Are you curious about the secret behind some top-performing athletes' energy and endurance? Are you interested in exploring how your diet can optimize athletic performance and recovery? Hey, I'm holistic nutritionist Plant Based Tracey, and whether you're a professional athlete yourself or a weekend warrior who's interested in exploring the power of healthy eating, this video was made for you. More and more athletes these days are embracing healthy, plant-based diets, and they're discovering that it's a game changer not only for their health, but also for their performance on the field. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can offer a wealth of benefits to athletes. Enhanced recovery. A plant-based diet rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds aids in faster recovery after intense workouts. Increased energy. Athletes thrive on consistent energy levels, and plant-based foods provide a steady supply of fuel without the energy crashes associated with certain diets. Optimal nutrition. A well-balanced plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients athletes need, including protein, iron, calcium, and vitamins. Improved cardiovascular health. Plant-based diets are associated with lower cholesterol levels, promoting better cardiovascular health, which is vital for endurance athletes. Lean muscle support. Contrary to the myth that athletes need meat for muscle gains, plant-based proteins are excellent sources for building and maintaining lean muscle mass. One outstanding example of vegan athletic excellence is none other than the legendary Venus Williams. As one of the most successful tennis players in history, Venus has dominated the sport with her agility, strength, and mental prowess. Venus transitioned to a plant-based diet to address health concerns, and not only did she improve her overall well-being, but she also found that her performance on the court reached new heights. Her dedication to plant-based eating exemplifies how well plant-based eating complements the intense demands of professional sports. Here are 5 tips for you to achieve athletic excellence with a plant-based diet. Nourish with plant protein. Plant-based proteins are inexpensive, abundant, and offer all the essential amino acids your body needs. Incorporate sources like beans, lentils, quinoa, and nuts into your meals to fuel those active muscles. 2, embrace nutrient-dense foods. Load up on nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables to provide your body with vital minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. They'll support your immune system and aid in post-workout recovery. 3, prioritize healthy fats. Make sure to enjoy healthy fats like avocados, hemp seeds, and flax seeds. They're excellent sources of energy and help keep inflammation in check. 4, hydration is key. Stay hydrated to optimize athletic performance. Coconut water and infused water are excellent choices to quench your thirst. 5, listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's cues and adjust your diet accordingly. Every athlete is unique, and finding the right balance of foods is key. A plant-based diet is a powerful tool for athletes looking to perform at their best. So whether you're a professional athlete or a weekend warrior, you can embrace a plant-based diet and reap the incredible athletic benefits. I'd love to join you on your journey of eating a plant-based diet and becoming a better athlete. And for more valuable nutrition advice, check out this video.